Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Shafinas binti Hassan.
Hi, it's me, Ainazira binti Azamuddin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Diana Nora binti Ahmad Noh.
My name is Alia Akila binti Muhammad.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Liana binti Yasmin.
We are from BA2505B, and in this video, we are going to present our group assignment for Basic Web Design and Content Management, IMS456, which is corporate website for our company named Bookbin Corporate. Okay, let's start with our homepage. First, our homepage contains our header. Next, we have quotes related about books that we put through sliders. Next, we have facts about books that when the customer click the arrow, the text will appear. And at the very bottom, we have calendar. On the left side, we have navigation, which contains 9 pages that customers can choose. First, we have home button, and then we have about Bookbin, contact us, new arrivals, promotions, bestsellers, departments, stationaries, and last but not least, we have toys and games.
Okay, now we go to the next menu. If you see over here, you can see menu. So the one that I will explain is this one. So if you click this button, it will bring you to the about Bookbin. You can see the header, and below of it, you can see a few picture of the shop. And the last one is about the article. So this one is the Bookbin logo. The side of it is the article that explains to the reader what Bookbin is. So in this part, this article is the most important thing because it's gonna explain to you what is Bookbin is. So it also say it about Bookbin. So this one is the must to be put so the reader can know what is the Bookbin is.
Okay, next, moving on to the contact us, which is Bookbin Corporate has established 3 social media, which are Facebook, Instagram, and Google Mail. Once the consumer click the Facebook button, it will be directed to the new page. This is the page of Bookbin Corporate. We have been keeping our consumers with the latest updates by posting it every day or weekly. Next, we also have Instagram. Just click the button. It will be directed to the new page of our Instagram. It is very user friendly. And lastly, we also have Google Mail. It is for the consumer who, if just in case they have a problem with buying behavior, so they can voice it out, or they want to express their satisfaction value to our corporation, they can just email it to us, and our workers will reply it as soon as possible. Okay, now moving on to the next section, which is new arrival section. This section is created so that the consumer will be able to know what is our latest product, not only the new coming books, but also the latest magazine issues, stationaries, and games. On top of that, the consumer will be able to engage with our website easily, as the consumer will only need to click the new arrival button, and the page of the new arrivals will appear within less than a second. The website is also user friendly, as it provides a colorful graphic of books cover. The colorful graphic of books cover will attract the user to buy the book because they can actually imagine the storyline of the book story. Also, the consumer will be able to know the price of the book without having to walk into the store as the price is also provided. Now let's look into our features of the new arrivals. We also make a simple promotion of the new arrivals for Romance titles in conjunction of Valentine's Day. Not only that, Bookbin also has published other kind of books such as education, entertainment, and kids section. This is the new arrivals for the Romance title, which is The Testament, 1984. Also, the price is here. All About Archive and Housemaid of Dawn. Next, moving on to the magazine section, which is Point, Q1, and Insider. Point Mag is more to the fashion magazine, while Q1 and Insider they are more to analytical and business magazine. Next, we also have the education books such as Don't Drug Yourself Down and Learn to Be Drug Free. The next section would be the kids section, the Classroom Behavior 101, ABC for Toddlers, and James Kinnear. Next, we are moving to the stationery section where Bookbin has come up with new ruler string where the ruler can be rolled and easily kept compared to the normal ruler. And we also come up with the new design of notebook. And lastly, we have Crayon Board School for Kids, Teach for Treat. Yeah, also it is mentioned for kids, but it is actually suits for all ages of group because everyone can have fun with crayon, right? We also provide some videos on ideas in how will you use the crayon box. Okay, that's all.
Okay, next we take a look at the other menu function that is promotion. So if you click the button, it will automatically bring you to the promotion section. You can also see the header like the others. So if you scroll down, what you can see is the picture of the offer that the Bookbin have put. So here you can see the special offer that Bookbin have do from 10% until 19% off. For this kind of sale, that is back to school sale, clearance sale, and also the membership card. You can see here is the picture. Under of it is the title. And below, you can see the detail when the offer will start and when will it end. So if you scroll more, you can see other offer from Bookbin, that is New Year sale. Also here you will see the detail when will the New Year sale available, and it's only available for this kind of book, that is education, kids book, comic, and also the popular novel. And you can see in education and kids book, I use bullet function for the category of book that available for the New Year sale only. And if you want to know more on what kind of book we have, you will go to the next menu.
Next is bestseller book in Bookbin. In this part, Bookbin will show its top 3 best-selling book based on the categories. The book are listed according to the highest sales reported in Bookbin. Bookbin provide a Dropbox button to ease their customer to see the bestseller book based on these categories. We have children book, fiction and non-fiction. When customer want to see the bestseller book based on children books, they can click this and it will bring the customer into this part, and it shows the top 3 bestseller book in children books. Next is fiction books, it will show the top 3 fiction book. And lastly, for non-fiction book, it will show the customer or visitor to the top 3 bestseller book in fiction book.
There are several departments in our bookstore. For example, comic department, storybooks, magazines, and dictionary department. There are several comic in our comic department. For example, Ana Muslim, Sipang Mipulara, and Upa Anything. In the storybook department, there are many storybooks for children. For example, Little Red Riding Hood, Cinderella, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, and the Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Apart from that, in the dictionary department, there are many dictionaries. For example, Kamus Bahasa Malaysia Bahasa Inggeris, Kamus Kata Ganda, and Kamus Erti. In the magazine department, there's a lot of magazines, which are Keistimewaan Biskut magazine, which shows the recipes of baking cookies, home design, home concept, gubahan hantaran, hidangan appetizer, and fashion tudung magazine.
Okay, let's move on to stationaries. In stationaries page, we have a button. Next, we have text, and then we have sliders that contains a sneak peek of our stationaries. For the buttons, there are 3 options that the customers can choose which one they're interested to, and each button will link or connect to their own pages. For example, when the customer click paper, the pages for paper will appear that will contain all the products related to paper, such as our sticky notes, A4 file, and notebook. Next, when the customer click pens button, it will connect to the pen pages, which we have a Pilot pen, and then we have Sarasa pen. And lastly, when the customer click highlighter button, it will connect to highlighter pages that contains Stabilo and Faber-Castell also cost pen.
In our bookstore, we also sell toys and games that can be played by both children and adults. For example, Jutaria, Uno Speed, Snake and Ladder, Monopoly, chess set, and card games like Uno Card, Snap, Happy Family, and Old Mate.